So I'm about to just do a vlog today. So there's a couple dollars to go buy a clout token. Yeah, I need it. I hate this bag, so I'm about to go buy something else that's more fitting for my aesthetic. This one's good for the range or something, but you're wearing every day. I do not like it. So yeah, I'll show you guys what I get in a little while. And yeah, that is it. We are on our way to Brockton, not far, like 20 something minutes away. So yeah, we're about to go meet somebody from OfferUp, go buy a thing, and then switch bags, because this one I am not a fan. So yeah, not sure what else we're doing today. There is a pool party and all that kind of stuff. I should have recorded the last pool party that I was doing security for, because we had Janice. If you guys know who she is, I'll probably see if I have a picture still, and I'll throw.
Yeah, she was a fairy. Yeah, she was a fairy. Yeah, she was a fairy. Yeah.
That up if I remember, but remember I'm the worst editor, so I'm most likely gonna forget, but I'll try not to. But yeah, so pretty much what I'm gonna start doing is vlogging more things in general. I may do some car stuff today, I may not, same for tomorrow, but in general I'm just gonna start recording more overall, because people always keep telling me like the things I do are pretty cool, so like you should film more content. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna try that. So yeah, catch you guys in the next clip. So I've been looking for a setup like this, nice dually with the trailer. Like, this thing is sick, and it has a cap on the back and everything like that. I would lower mine, but yeah, this setup is nice as hell. My god, like, look at that, the toy hauler on the back and everything. Like, bro, needs that. Like, ever since I drove my boy's F350 or whatever it is, I'm like, yeah, I need a truck. Like, I've been low-key wanting another X5M and just putting a tow hitch on the back, but then again, I'm like, yeah, and yes, it is capable, more than capable, if it has the tow package with the brakes and with the trailer brake setup and everything like that. But I'm just like, the parts for that thing are so expensive. Like, when you have to do brakes, expensive, especially if you have F85 X5M rotors and whatnot. Like, it's just expensive as hell. So I'm like, I don't know if I want to do that. I also been thinking of waiting and getting an F85, and then I also want another E38. I've also been looking at an Alpina B7. I actually may go look at that this weekend, and that'll be another vlog within itself, because I do kind of want that one. So we'll figure something out. Yeah, I don't know if I would keep that or if I would part that out, but I would just have to look up and see what the market is looking like. And yeah, but I do want another car to part out, and I do want a truck. I do want a more VIP, relaxed kind of build to drive, so I don't always have to drive this. But yeah, we'll figure it out, because yeah, I just need more things to make content on. So that's what we're gonna do. And look at that, there's an F95 X5M behind us. Yeah, so I switched back to the glossy one. Yeah, the camera. But yeah, I switched back to the glossy one now, so fuck it. It was $80 difference because the matte one only had the transitional lenses in them, and I put my prescriptions in there. So yeah, but not bad. Can't complain. It actually looks pretty decent. It looks pretty good. Wave runners. So I'll send these to him. It's really been a while since I had a pair of Jordans. Like, so I bought a pair of Lightning 4s because I'm like, these things are really cool looking, and I need something that's not all black, and I also need something that's low besides the black forces that I have with the big laces. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I also may put some fat laces in this because I'll probably look pretty cool, or I'll get a second pair to do it because these are super cheap. Like, I forgot how cheap and stuff Jordans are. I paid like what, 140 bucks for these. I think they were worn once or something like that, but you can't really tell because they're really clean. But yeah, quick pickup. But yeah, and then I also grabbed this. I don't remember if I put it in the video or not, but yeah, Louis Vuitton Avenue sling bag. I needed something that was not as bulky as the one that's over there, so pick this up. Oh well, that's good enough. Let's see. Not bad. Not bad at all. Is a little bit of height bonus that the Balmains give, but yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. Got some fragrances. The box actually matches my shoes too. That's funny. But yeah, the mango thing that I usually put on, I got like a full range of their fragrances and then a couple other ones as well, like some testers, but usually the same way you can get a nigga put onto dope, that's how they do it with the perfumes. Because once you get a use of that tester, it's like, damn, I need to smell like this forever. Especially if you know how to mix fragrances. Game changer. Like, I'm trying to tell y'all, like, I might have to start putting y'all onto some sauce with the mixing the fragrances and also applying the fragrances to things like the vehicle, as well as things like room, living room, bathroom, things like that, for the different, like, you know, for the feng shui and whatnot. Because I'm telling you, it's like, once you do that and then you have a ting pull up, they're just gonna like, oh wow, it smells good in here, what is that? It's like, all right baby, let me put you on to something. And then once she sees you're putting her onto some shit like that, man, listen, I'm giving y'all some sauce, but it's gonna be the type of shit that I might have to make y'all niggas pay for, because it hits every single time. The things that I can't record is exactly what I'm talking about, or the things that I can record but I can't post on YouTube. But yeah, pardon all this stuff, but if you want the car to like smell good, this is what you do. So you spray, you put the AC on full blast, recirculation on max, and then you spray. My hands are really big and this thing is really tiny. Pause. And now the thing is gonna, yes, it's gonna recirculate the fragrance all around the car now. Just that simple. You don't spray like everything like all over the place. You just spray the footwells and then it'll recirc. Ah, that smells so good throughout the whole car. So yeah, and this one is the mango skin fragrance, my favorite. So yeah, some free game. So I'm installing this carbon e-brake handle because we're going to start modifying the interior of this car. So I ordered a dash cover. I have to order this trim here and the trim that goes on the door, this panel here. I ordered a brake thingy and one of these. I'm not sure if the one that goes here works yet, but if not, we'll just get one that does. So right now we're going to temporarily install this. Well, no, we're going to permanently install this, but we're going to temporarily install this back on because we're going to be switching that. So yeah, this car is going to have a lot of custom interior stuff. So Yeah, you have to cut this zip tie here, if I could even get it with these little ass scissors. Yeah, I gotta use 2 hands. Pause. So you pull the handle off, and then you put this one on. And then there's like a little notch that it has to get to. Good grief. Alright, well, this just has to be good enough because I can't find any zip ties, so I'm going to have to get some. Plus, this is not the one that's staying anyway, so it doesn't really matter. It's decent, so let me just push the brake. I hate that. It's messing with my OCD a lot. But, again, this is temporary, so it's not that big of a deal. So, yeah. Anyhow, I gotta grab a zip tie whenever I can find one, because you do need a normal size zip tie. I thought it was a tiny one, so I did get a tiny one, and then I needed the normal size one. But yeah, so my plans are carbon, Alcantara, carbon, Alcantara, carbon, and then maybe some interior lights. Not sure what else, but I do want this interior to be nice. Have to get seats. I may do a rear seat delete. Not 100% sure on that yet. Either that, or I'll see like what I can do with the seats. But yeah, this interior gonna be lots of custom stuff. Gonna do a digital dash. Gonna either do a Mr. 12 volt screen. Mr. 12 volt module, or a new screen. What else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. But that's a lot of stuff. Then eventually, I do also want to get the matching Alcantara that I'm going to be doing for here, and that's on here, and that's going to be on here to be on the headliner. So like, I want the white stitch on the side thingies and the headliner and the visor things, all that to be Alcantara eventually. But yeah, I just want this interior to be super fire, so yeah, we're gonna do that eventually. But anyhow, thanks for watching. Not sure what else I'm gonna put in this video, but yeah, peace.